Ciudad Bolívar, Antioquia is municipality that is 2 or 3 hours from the city of Medellin, approximately 100 kilometers away. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, everything go messed up and everyone started to fail because before the vaccines. People over 16 years old had a lot of risk of dying from the consequence of contracting the virus. So every older person had to take shelter in their homes, not have any contact with people outside because they were infected and had risk of dying. Especially the young people were dared to go, or some who had the or did not take sufficient care of the biosecurity protocols. So there was a greater risk of contagion in the family homes. After several months of being locked up at home, the young people and adults were more at risk because the virus was advancing and gained more strength, so that more variants come over time. And because of these strong variants, people already took action of placing restrictions on the population, such as using the face mask everywhere, constantly washing your hands, disinfecting the body with alcohol before enter in establishments. Don't greet with hugs, among other things. The population of Ciudad Bolívar was one of the most affected municipalities on many tourists come because the major not put restriction, so most people left it without any care of the protocols of the security. So there were many people in the UC where the hospital only has three. So people who were bad had to take them in city of Medellin where they would have better care as much as possible save the life of the person.